Many years ago, on a planet far, far away.
Bad news, good avocado queen.
Show me the prophecy.
Rub the seed, 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 rub the seed.
I'm just really not sure what's going on. We've got all of these seeds started with the water and toothing method, and we've just got lots of them just dying. I don't understand it. What is going on here?
Water and toothpicks? That's not how seeds were meant to be grown. You realize you can just put them in the ground. Why isn't he just putting them in the ground? You must send a message to the future.
These seeds are not doing well. I wonder what's going on.
Water and toothpicks? That's not how seeds were meant to be grown. You realize you can just put them in the ground.
I think I need to try something new. In my recent experiment, I found that planting avocado seeds in soil was a more efficient and reliable way to grow avocado trees. So we may as well start a bunch more, because I want to guarantee success. So, thanks to a friend who's collected avocado seeds from my workplace, I'm going to be starting a bunch of these today. I'm going to be using plastic cups like this one because they're nice and cheap. I'll be making drainage holes in the bottom for water to drain out of. I'm just using my pocket knife. It doesn't take much to pierce the cup. Next, I'll add the soil, and I'm using my usual cheap potting mix, mixed with a little sand and fertilizer. Once that's mixed in, the cup can be filled. Then I'll push the seed into the soil bottom first. It'll then be covered up, watered, and put to where I'll be keeping it long term. Let's go. I had a spare small greenhouse which will be perfect for housing the avocado seeds for them to germinate. They will stay nice and warm in here, but when it gets warmer during spring and summer, I will be unzipping it so that they don't cook. And they're all in. Now all that's left to do is to make sure they stay moist and wait. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please feel free to drop a like, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe so as not to miss any future avocado updates. If you'd like to get in contact with me, share your avocado pictures, or see more regular avocado content, head over to my Instagram at Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.